Hello everyone, I am Rhenalyn I am a first-year nursing student, and today you're going to learn microbiology with me. So today we will be discussing two most common microorganisms that you're going to see in a pond water and hay infusion. So pond water is a natural habitat where you can see algae, crustaceans, paramecium, and many more microorganisms. While hay infusion is an artificial nutrient-rich created to rapidly multiply these specific microorganisms. So they are used in nursing and microbiology to study their behavior and growth, and they are a possible indicator of water quality and at the same time to determine if they possess the characteristic of producing diseases. Okay, so now let's begin. First is a volvox. So as you can see here in the image, volvox has these spherical colonies inside that are connected within one another. So volvox is a green colonial algae that are found in freshwater ponds and in slow-moving water. They move through their flagella and they perform photosynthesis. So volvox is generally harmless to humans. They do not cause any kind of diseases. In fact, they are an indicator of the presence of nutrient-rich freshwater environment. Scientists use these microorganisms to study cell specialization and colony formation. Next is rotifers. So rotifers are microscopic multicellular aquatic organisms found in fresh waters. They possess this wheel-like structure which is called the corona, which is why they're also called the wheelbearer, which is used for feeding and movement. They feed on algae, bacteria, and organic debris. So rotifers are an important indicator of water quality and environmental health. They maintain the balance of aquatic environment by feeding on microorganisms and waste materials. So they are used also in laboratory to study toxicology and environmental monitoring. Rotifers are non-pathogenic. They do not cause any diseases to humans. However, sudden absence or increase of the population of these microorganisms could be an indicator of environmental imbalance and pollution. So that's it for our two microorganisms that we usually see under the microscope. We discussed about volvox and rotifers. Both of these are non-pathogenic and they're an indicator of healthy water quality. Now, clean water systems is really important for public health, for the prevention of the occurrence of waterborne diseases. And in nursing intervention, clean water systems is really important for infection policy control and the prevention of the spread of infectious diseases, and at the same time, monitoring these water systems would allow nurses to determine places or populations with a higher risk of waterborne diseases. That's all for my video. Thank you so much for watching.